costs $500,000. At that time, the price of a house was $10,000, and 50 poor Tajik families could own a private house. At that time, there was even a rumor that a close friend of President Ramazanov, Karamati Chorny, having learned the price of President Rakhmonov's chair, the collective farmer Emomali, while dining with the president and Safar Shirali, Amir Show Miraliev Gomeshov, all from Dangara, joked with the president and asked the following question. You brought a chair from Italy. The price is $1 million. What kind of chair is this? Is it true? Everyone laughs because they are very drunk. The president, who was drunk and very drunk, answered him, Oh, you are right. You woke up, your eyes hurt. State money, everything is at our disposal. Now you are a journalist. That is, this is just the beginning of the work. He meant the theft of the state budget. Then, Karamati Chorny, who was a very funny person, laughed and said to the president, You are a farmer. Oh, I was surprised that you had such an expensive chair. If you do not have a suit in Dangara, wear it to meetings. Do you want a suit? I was afraid that you would not be a big man among your children. Do not be ashamed of us. After these jokes of Black Karamat, everyone laughs, and Black Karamat comes to Rakhmonov, who slaps him on the shoulder and says, Well, tell me what kind of chair did you bring? It is expensive. Let's go check tomorrow. Do not go with someone who knows Karamat. Why did you bring a chair for $1 million? Italy. Do not be ashamed. They laugh loudly. In 2006, Emomali Rakhmonov won the fake presidential elections. On the day of the president's inauguration, the entire nation saw him leaving the Soman Palace along Dushanbe's Central Road, Rudaki Avenue, with a Mercedes convertible with an open top and a large medal with a star around his neck. The same black Mercedes convertible was brought by the then Minister of Industry of Tajikistan Zaid Saidov as a gift to the president before his inauguration in the amount of $650,000 from Germany. Today, on Rakhmonov's personal order, Zaid Saidov, the then director of the anti-corruption agency, Saidov Fatok, were arrested for good deeds. Guy Bovici, a gay dancer, Shah Rukh's father, a friend of Rustam Emomali, was imprisoned for 28 years. Even in 2019, they tried to throw him in prison. Now judge for yourself that everyone did good to Rakhmonov, gave him a car and money. Ali Mardonov Muradali saved him from death. Yakub Salimov made friends with him.